And now I do that.
Medium. Direction track. 3, 2, 1.
All right, yes, as you saw, the drone is working. I finally managed to activate it, and I will show you now how I did it, still without using my phone, still without using any data plan, very safely, without having a DJI app spying on your phone and what you are doing, using just my tablet. How I did it? Well, it's simple. With this cable saved me a lot of trouble and will save you a lot of trouble for you guys as well. Let me explain you the technique. But before I do that, I want to apologize with you guys. It took me some time to do this video. I wanted to do it more early so you can enjoy your drone. But I planned some vacation, so I had to go on vacation. My plane was booked and everything. And when I came back, I was hit, like a lot of people, I'm sure, by the result of the election. So everything coming together, I just have time now to do this video. So again, sorry about that, guys, but now you are going to know this little trick to activate your DJI Neo drone. So quickly now, you have this cable, you have the link in the description, of course, if you want to get the same. All you have to do is unpack it, and now you have to plug one side. It's a RG45, so Ethernet. One side you plug it in any of your router, switch, etc. Ethernet plug. And the other side, it's USB-C. So this side, you will plug it into your tablet, and this will give you data. So this will give you data. That way, you can use the Wi-Fi of your tablet to communicate with the drone perfectly. And that way, the drone will activate. And of course, that way, you don't have to install the app, the DJI app on your phone, share your personal information with DJI. You can use any tablet, of course, modern enough that supports internet via USB-C. My Samsung S7 tablet support it, so that was perfect. Using this cable, connect it to the tablet, connect to the drone with Wi-Fi, and voila, you get your drone activated and ready to go. The good thing also, it's once you do that, you do not need this cable anymore, at least for now, because you will still need it when you have some firmware updates. Same principle, you have to connect to your tablet and then connect to the drone and then do the firmware update that way, because it has to download first the firmware and then to send it to the drone. So of course it needs data for that. But other than that, when you want to use your drone, you don't need this cable anymore. You don't need your tablet, or maybe you pilot your drone with your tablet, or you set up your drone, of course, with your tablet. It's possible as well. But you don't need the cable anymore. We just connect to the drone directly with the tablet, and it's ready to go. All right, well, there you go, guys. Now you know what to get if you want to activate your DJI Neo drone. Let me shut it off for now. It's all nice, all activated, and I need to recharge some battery, but everything works with no data with this cable, and I wanted to let you know about this little trick. If you are like me and you want to activate your drone without giving up too much of your privacy. Again, especially and unfortunately after those elections, you may want to keep your privacy level very, very high, because you never know what's going to happen. Anyway, I wanted also to show you what I'm getting as accessory with the drone, which may be useful for you guys if you have the drone and you consider getting some accessory. Here is the case that I got myself. I put, of course, a link on the description if you want to get the same one. But here we go. It has a nice pocket here to put the cable, USB-C cable, and some accessory that comes with the drone. So that could be nice here. Here is the place, where you can put your drone and some accessory in the bottom here. The drone fits perfectly here in this compartment. Here to recharge the drone, I put this Anker power block, which is a 65 watt. So what's recommended if you want to charge all the battery at once. This power block will be useful for you. So I have that. I also got a set of, here we go, lens filter, ND filter, etc. 6 pieces. I may need to do a test on those at some point, but here we go. A set of those ND filter and polarized filter, etc. for the drone. And of course, here you have the compartment where you can put your battery charger with your battery. And for you guys, you know, since you have multiple battery, it's good to put number on them so you know which one is depleted and which one is available. But in case you don't know, you still have a button on the hub that will tell you the battery status. So here we go, that fit here. This fit here, and the power block fits perfectly here and up. Everything in the case and ready to go on adventure. And be happy enjoying your drone, like I did myself during my trip with my lovely friend Amanda. As you saw in the beginning of the video, the drone worked perfectly and we went on a trail a little bit to test all the functionality of the drone and see if it works as expected and if you had no trouble to use it without data, and it works perfectly. That said, I saw a few issues with the drone though that are nothing to do with the data connection. First of all, we had some low light filming, and as you can see here, in low light the footage does not look very nice with the DJI Neo. So maybe there is some setting I can do if I had the remote control where you can really pinpoint some of the white balance, shutter speed, etc. setting, but I cannot do that with just a tablet. So you need the RC remote control. I think it's a RC3 or RCN3. Let's see on the screen what it is exactly right now. But yeah, with the remote control, you have better access to the setting of the drone. But low light, guys, that's what happened. That's what you get. Now in a better light, it was a little bit better, of course. It worked as expected, except sometimes a little bit of blur on the picture. As you can see here with this rocket shot, it only happened in the rocket mode though. The other mode seems to be okay from what I can see. I mean, guys, you will be a judge of the picture, see what you think. But on the rocket mode, the picture got a little bit blur. It's not always, it's just like it's flashing blur basically. One time you can see nice, you can see the picture quality as expected, and then a few seconds after, it flash blur, and then it come back to normal, etc. Then repeat. So as you can see again here, the rocket mode got a little bit blurred. I don't know if it was because it's vibrating or it was not that much windy, so I don't think it was related to the wind. But here we go, these two issues that I find so far while using the drone. And again, nothing to do with the data or no data. That's the drone itself, the filming capability of the drone itself that I wanted to point out. In any case, thanks again for watching, and thanks to my friend Amanda to help me to demonstrate the drone and help me also to test all the functionality while walking on this nice trail. So that was awesome, and I hope that you guys know a little bit more about how to activate this drone that you may have thought about sending back because you cannot activate it. So there you go. And on my side, I will continue testing it along with all the other accessories. Thanks for watching. Hope this video again has been useful, and see you next time. Bye bye.